Good afternoon, Brian. This is Scott Walker with Impact Lane SEO. We spoke yesterday about custom postcards and making this video to kind of show you a few things that I go over and where, for you in particular with Pixingo, where, online presence can help out. So, for starters, I always recommend adding some content to your website. The reason I say that is because Google loves to see content on your website. They want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and throughout that content you want to be having buyer intent keywords, which for me usually has a location and a service. For you, since this is national/international, because you say right there, yours might not have a location attached. So that's not a problem, but the other thing you could do is if you save your imagery correctly, instead of it saying megabytes right there, that could be, custom postcards, or, like this right here, penguin line text instead. So, you can do a few things yourself to help, add some keywords onto your homepage. But that's just kind of the two things that I really recommend for your homepage. I'm not going to do a full site on it, but I usually use Ahrefs as an analytics to show me where you're setting and where you're at. You're currently at a 27 domain rating and a 9 URL rating. And these are the trust and strength that Google has for your website, and you want those continuously moving up and balanced. But you're at 27 and 9 due to your foreign pages and domains. And what those are backlinks. And what a backlink is when, it's when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to stay relevant to your industry and also your location whenever possible. And it looks like you're being indexed for 5 keywords, and you're getting 0 people to your website from those 5 keywords. And these are the keywords that you are being indexed for, so that Pixstar login, which I know that's not your name, Pix login, Bingo Pix, all of these are what I would call, or these are the keywords that your website is being indexed for. And to kind of give you just a little bit of a search, I didn't know exactly what service you wanted me to look up, but I did custom postcards, and I guess I could do custom postcards. But right up top, these are the Google ads. These are, what people are paying bulk postcards for, cents each, ships in 24 hours. You can have all this stuff. But it says custom postcards, customized postcards. So all of these sponsored ones, designed and print custom postcards online, those would have pretty decent click-through rates. I like that the cost is up here, 4 cents and 5 cents. This one doesn't really have a price, so that's okay. But just to kind of give you some search guesses, now this is postcard printing, 100 custom thank you postcards personalized. So people are paying $2 to $7 for to be up in that top area for it. So, if this is something, I don't know how many people do big orders for you, so that would be something to look at. So, would it be worth paying, $2 to $15 right here just to get a click? And if you click on this, if it takes you, at least it takes you to the actual standard postcards, and then this will give you what it is. So, that's a good landing page. A lot of the times people have it go just to their homepage, and then you have to figure it out, and then, it's just really difficult at that point. So, but it looks like MovePrint was one of the top competition that your website, or for this website. So looking at their website, you don't have too much content. You do have more. But to outrank these guys, you could be looking at more content, better buyer intent keywords, those authoritative backlinks and citations. And you'll start to outrank these guys. And to give you just kind of, I just did custom postcards. I might have spelt that incorrectly. Let's just do this real quick. Let's see if both of those come up. But, custom postcards, 2,700 searches a month. Custom postcards with it spaced, and then print custom postcards. So, once you start to outrank your competition, a percentage of this total volume will start going to your website instead of your competition. And then a percentage of the people going to your website will start to give you a call. Or, in your case, I guess it wouldn't be a call, but they might just order it online, and that's how you get a new customer for it. So, I hope that this was beneficial. This is something similar that I would make. Usually there's a Google Business Profile included as well. I didn't really go into that just because yours is not really service or location based. You're kind of on a national scale. So, but yeah, if you have any referrals that you'd love or that would love this video, I'd be happy to make one for them. And I look forward to hearing back from you about what we spoke about yesterday too. So, have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.